Woodwork for Inventor generates a large amount of information that is essential for furniture manufacturing. As we can see in this example, Woodwork for Inventor automatically calculates part dimensions, and this information is automatically included in the BOM generated by Woodwork for Inventor. However, a common question is whether this information can also be used in the standard Autodesk Inventor BOM. As we can see here, this data is not currently visible. This raises the question of how to make this information available not only in the Woodwork for Inventor BOM generator, but also in the Autodesk Inventor BOM. To achieve this, we go to the Woodwork for Inventor settings and open the configuration. Here, we need to register the custom iProperties that we want to see in the Autodesk Inventor BOM. In this case, we create a custom iProperty called part length. To retrieve this value from the information generated by Woodwork for Inventor, we specify the keyword used to access it. In this case, the keyword is item length. Next, we create another custom iProperty called part width, which is retrieved using the keyword item width. Finally, we create a custom iProperty called part thickness using the keyword item thickness. It is also important to define when these custom iProperties are written by Woodwork for Inventor. We have several options to choose from regarding when these values are calculated and saved. In this case, we select that the custom iProperties should be written during BOM generation. Now we can generate the Woodwork for Inventor BOM. Once it is generated, we can see that these properties already exist in the BOM. Next, we go to the BOM in Autodesk Inventor and open the structured settings. Here, we can add new iProperty columns. Let's start with part length and set the data type to number. We then add part width, again setting the data type to number, followed by part thickness, also set to number. As we can see, all of these characteristics are now displayed in the Autodesk Inventor BOM. Moreover, this information can also be used in drawings. We open the parts list and navigate to the column chooser. From there, we select user properties and add part length, part width, and part thickness. As a result, the part dimensions are now visible in the standard parts list within the assembly drawing. It is also worth noting that if a mistake is made when defining a custom iProperty, it can be easily corrected. Any incorrectly configured custom iProperty can simply be deleted and recreated with the correct name or keyword. This makes it easy to adjust the setup without affecting the rest of the configuration. With this configuration, Woodwork for Inventor automatically provides part dimension data to Autodesk Inventor, ensuring consistent information in BOMs and assembly drawings without manual input.